Hello everyone. I'd like to take a moment to invite you to my membership channel, Source of Light. There's different tiers with different perks. I can dream up infinite ways to reward and give thanks for your participation. We have Guardian, Trailblazer, Free Spirit, Starseed, and Visionary. And by joining my membership channel, you're actually giving me the freedom to create. So in that way, we're co-creating this channel, and there'll be opportunities to cast your vote. You'll have early access to videos. You'll get to see behind the scenes. In my heart of hearts, I am an artist. I haven't always been free to create, and I'm at a time in my life where I actually have that freedom. And I'm super excited that I get to express these creative works without restriction, and I like to weave color, light and sound, whatever the medium, whether it's through acrylic on canvas, a fine tip pen, working with my kids. My kids are great artists, whether it's creating a piece of music, whether it's banging my drum or singing a song to the water. You get early access to my Pearls of Wisdom, interviewing people who are wise old souls. You'll get to see me creating and the real deal and the real me, and get to know me better. So check it out. Have a look at the perks, see what works for you, and I would welcome you here because you are definitely giving me the freedom to create by joining. And in the spirit of sacred reciprocity, I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'll be sure to dote attention on you as best I can, and with so much love and so much thanks. Bless.